most popular athlete Milkha Singh died recently. Sad loss for Indian sports. So we need to know everything related to him to tackle the questions to be asked related to him in the upcoming competitive examinations. Hi, I am Hoimonti, your host, and you are watching Rebrain Pro official YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Milkha Singh, the Flying Sheikh. Milkha Singh, one of the greatest athletes, died due to post-COVID-19 complications at the age of 91. He was popularly known as the Flying Sheikh. He succumbed to post-COVID-19 complications on Friday night after a month-long battle with the virus. On May 20, he had tested positive for the virus and was admitted to a private hospital in Mohali on May 24. Milkha Singh has been an Indian athlete and considered to be one of the greatest athletes the nation has ever produced. Milkha has been the only Indian athlete till date to have broken an Olympic record. Still, he lost the bronze medal in the 400-meter event at Rome Olympic Games 1960 by just 0.1 seconds. Milkha Singh's early life. He was born on the 8th October 1935 at Loyalpur and had a very difficult childhood when he saw his parents and relatives being killed in front of his own eyes during the Indo-Pakistan partition massacre. A 12-year-old Milkha escaped for his life and hiding himself behind the corpses in the train to India, managed to get a new lease of life, though left all alone in the world by now. Introduction to athletics. Singh tried to get into the army 3 times but was rejected. Finally, his brother Malkhan Singh helped him get into the electrical mechanical engineering branch of the army in 1952, and it was there that he participated at the first sports meet in his life. Making of champion. Under the guidance of his mentor Havaldar Gurdev Singh, Milkha began training hard and harder at the army to become an accomplished athlete. He showed his prowess for the first time at the Services Athlete Meet 1955, wherein he finished second in the 200-meter and 400-meter race events. After delivering a much better performance and winning both the events at the National Games 1956 held at Patiala, Milkha went on to break the 200-meter and 400-meter records in the National Games 1958 held at Cuttack. He clocked 46.1 minutes in 400-meter at National Games 1960. That was considered to be a world-class performance of that time, but his best had still to arrive. International career. Milkha represented the nation in the Melbourne Olympic Games 1956, his first Olympic event, although he couldn't fare quite well at the event being less experienced at the time. He learned a lot from the competition to prepare himself well for the future meets. The Golden Period. Probably the best period during Milkha's career as an athlete arrived between the year 1958 and 1960. He won gold medals in both 200-meter and 400-meter events at the Tokyo Asian Games 1958, clocking 21.6 seconds and 47 seconds respectively. At the Cardiff Commonwealth Games held the same year, he improved his 400-meter timing to 46.16 seconds and grabbed a gold medal again. The Olympic legend. The most important occasion in Milkha's career arrived in the form of Rome Olympic Games 1960. In the first heat of 400-meter race at the Rome Olympic Games, he covered the race at 47.6 seconds and finished at second position. In the second heat, he further improved his timing and grabbed second position again with a timing of 46.5 seconds. Karl Kaufmann of Germany had outclassed him this time. In the semi-final heat, he still finished at second place, although this time he further improved the timing with 45.9 seconds, beaten by only Otis Davis of USA. In the final round of the coveted race, Milkha went off like an arrow and left all other competitors behind till the distance of 250 meters. It was when he miscalculated his own speed and committed the blunder of his lifetime, and perhaps the history of Indian athletics, by slowing down a bit. Although he tried the hardest of his lifetime to recover the distance, the other opponents had lagged him behind enough for him to catch them again. The competition was so tough that Otis Davis and Karl Kaufman clocked 44.8 seconds, while Malcolm Spence of South Africa covered the race in 45.5 seconds. Milkha, who was initially leading the race, finished just 0.1 seconds later by Spence, clocking 45.6 seconds. The difference was so minute that the announcement was initially held up and further declared after a photo finish. Thus Milkha, who was a favorite for the gold, lost a bronze by a whisker. Probably the closest an Indian athlete could get to an Olympic medal till now. Milkha, the Flying Sikh. Milkha Singh defeated the fastest Pakistani runner Abdul Khalik, who had won a 100-meter gold medal at Tokyo Asian Games 1958 in the year 1962. And the Pak President Ayub Khan named him the Flying Sikh, a name that has become immortal forever in the history of Indian athletics. Awards and honors. Honoring the incredible and hitherto the best performance by any Indian athlete that Milkha Singh delivered throughout his sports career. He was bestowed upon the Padma Shri Award 1958 and the Arjun Award by the Government of India.
That's for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. For more updates, you can follow us on our Facebook and Instagram official page. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.